We will also talk about mycoprotein, which is an example of food biotechnology. Mycoprotein is a protein-rich food that is produced from a fungus called Fusarium. It is grown in fermenters under aerobic conditions, meaning oxygen is supplied, and it is fed with glucose syrup to support its growth. As the fungus grows, it forms a large amount of biomass, which is the living material of the organism. This biomass is then harvested and processed to produce food products. Mycoprotein has several advantages. It is high in protein, low in fat, and contains no cholesterol. It is also a sustainable food source because it requires less land compared to traditional livestock farming, and it is suitable for vegetarians and vegans. When we look at the diagram explaining mycoprotein production, it shows the process in stages. First, the fungus is cultured in fermenters where it is provided with glucose syrup and oxygen so it can grow efficiently. In the second stage, the fungus multiplies and produces a large amount of biomass. Finally, in the harvesting and processing stage, this biomass is collected, purified, and processed into the final edible food product. Now moving on to yogurt production, this process uses specific bacteria, mainly Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. These bacteria ferment lactose, which is the sugar in milk, and convert it into lactic acid. As lactic acid builds up, the pH of the milk decreases to about 4.5. This acidic condition causes the milk to clot and change texture, forming yogurt.